How to automatically tag subscribers in Mailchimp. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to tag automatically the subscribers into your email campaign from Mailchimp. The process is very easy. So you're going to head over mailchimp.com, sign in for your account, and then we're going to create a new journey. How we can do that? Once you are on the dashboard, click on create, and then we're going to click on automations. From here, we are going to create a new automation. And then we are going to type the name of it. For example, auto tag, for example, here, let's say subs. I'm going to click on start building. Now we are going to see the journey dashboard. So we are going to start or by picking a starting point. We're going to select here sign up for emails. So you can go ahead and choose one of these. And here I'm going to select this one. So we are going to welcome new signups, introduce our brand, and also turn new contacts into new customers. Going to click on here. Now you can include the imported contacts, but I'm not going to do that. But I'm going only to tag the new subscribers. So I'm going to click on add the journey point. Now what I'm going to do is to search through the actions and scroll down until we see the tag and end tag. I'm going to click on tag and end tag. Now the tags is going to be required. We are going to create a new tag or choose from an existing one. So I'm going to select here, for example, from these customers. And the action is going to be adding. Here we have either remove or add. I'm going to choose add, click on save. Then we are going to add another journey point, which is going to be send email. And then we are going to edit the schedule, from and to, tracking on Google Analytics, also the subject. When you have finished that, you're going to click on close. And here we have the automation of tagging. So then you are going to publish it. You're going to click on start the free trial, or if not, you do have a subscription, you can go ahead and use it and publish that specific, let's say, automation. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.